How to select a level in Color Block Jam. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can play a certain level. First of all, open the application. So as you can see, I'm already inside the game. Now here, this is the level I'm in, level 6. Now you cannot play other levels without completing it. So here, you cannot even view the previous level. Now simply tap on level 6 and here you'll be able to see this play icon. Tap on play. Now as you can see, I'm already inside the game and now you can start playing the game. So it is quite easy. You can just simply select the levels that you're in and you'll be able to play the game easily. So it's quite simple and it's very easy to play the game also. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.